Hi there. So if you're wondering what are the proper settings that you need in order to run Divi, and you've been searching the internet looking for that information, well, I've got good news for you. If you have Divi 3.2 or later, that information is built into the dashboard. So to see the minimum requirements for Divi and whether or not your web host is meeting them, what you want to do is from your dashboard, come down here to Divi, to Support Center. If you don't see this, you probably don't have Divi 3.2 or later, so you'll need to upgrade. So the first thing you'll see is up here, it says System Status. So this will tell you whether or not your system meets the minimum requirements. In my case, it does. If you want to know what those requirements are, all you need to do is click here on Show Full Report. And here it will show you like PHP version, memory limit, post max size. It will show you what your current settings are, and then it will say over here what Elegant Themes recommends for Divi. So that's all there is to it. So if you want to know what requirements you need and what you're currently running, finding that information is easy because it's built into Divi. All right, and if you find you're not meeting any of the minimum requirements, then you'll want to contact your hosting provider about the best ways in order to make sure you meet the requirements, or find a host in which meets the minimum requirements or allows you to do it yourself. I know that for my Divi website and a lot of my clients, I use Cloudways. I can change all these settings on the back end on Cloudways. It's really easy to do. So I recommend you find a host that allows you to do it. Anyways, I just wanted to do this quick video for those of you who did not know about the system status feature on the Divi dashboard. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button if you did, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. We'll see you next time. Thank you.